What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on how we install the piston guys. So as you can see guys, we overhaul the piston of main engine unit number 3. So at this moment we installed guys. So I just wanted to show you guys on how I install the piston. So first of all, this is a Kobe diesel engine guys, and every overhauling we have to, as for always guys, we have to follow the instruction manuals, and of course we have to consider all the checklist and all the safety checklist and rest assessment guys in overhauling, since this is the major overhauling job of our main engine guys. So as you can see guys, the piston rings are already aligned and the gap must be 180 degrees to each other guys. So there are four piston rings, should be 180 degrees gap alignment guys, so we must align. So in every piston overhauling guys, we need also to overhaul the stuffing box. So everything is overhauled and tested, measured everything, the ring grooves, the piston crown, and the gap of the piston, and the calibration of our cylinder liners. So everything is good and within tolerance limits. Everything is in good operational limits guys. So at this point we double check everything before installing it, and we have to put some lubrication, cylinder oil guys, for this piston rings. In every new piston rings guys, it is very important to break in the piston rings in the sense that it has to be increased with the cylinder oil feed rate in accordance to the maker instruction guys. So we should not forget the piston ring inserting tool. So as you can see guys, it's on the top of the cylinder. It must be installed before we install the piston. And also don't forget guys, the o-ring of the stopping box, it has to be installed also. Be sure to check everything and must be in good and proper order guys. So in this major overhauling job, we have to be alert and careful. This is when handling of this heavy object guys. So the control here is that we need to align the connecting, the crosshead to the piston rod. So the control here guys is on the crankcase. So we brought down the remote control of the crane, so we can align from there the crankcase guys. It's very difficult to make some video there, but we managed to make some video here. So just follow the instruction manual guys on how to do it, to align in the crosshead and the piston rod guys. So the very important thing here is when tightening, we should follow the hydraulic tightening torque guys, on how much is the hydraulic tightening pressure of the piston rod bolts and the cylinder cover bolts guys. So as you can see guys, it's already, we put down slowly the piston and it is properly lubricated guys. So just align properly the piston inserting tool to the piston ring, guys. As you can see, just slowly and slowly to align the piston rod to the crosshead, guys. It must be seated face to face without any gap to avoid any problem, guys. So we need to double check every time, guys, when overhauling the piston assembly, guys. So as you can see, it is slowly going down and we align from down. So just slowly align the piston rod to the crosshead, guys. So the interval of this Kobe diesel engine, the Mitsubishi engine, guys, is in every 8,000 hours we have to overhaul the piston, guys. So now it is slowly going down and to be seated properly into the crosshead, guys. So until here, guys, I hope you learned something about this video, and if you are interested of the marine engineering videos, guys, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is JB23 vlog. Bye bye.